Hi friends, this video shows how to uninstall Google Play services from your smart TV. First we need to install one app named System App Remover in your smart TV. We can install this app from Google Play Store. The first we need to log into Google Play Store using your Gmail ID and password. Then search for System App Remover. Then you have to click on this installed button. When you click on this installed button, you can see the list of devices which you connected to this particular uh, Google account. The first one is the smart TV. So I already installed this app in my smart TV. So let me go to the smart TV, then open that app. So this is the app. Click on this icon. Okay, so in this app, in the left top corner, you can see, click on there, you can see two options: System App and User App. Go to System App. If you scroll down, you can see Google Play Services. Click on that, then click on top right corner, then select Show App Details. When you then select one option from this list, then you can see the version of Google Play Services. It's 12.5.29. Okay, go back, then select that Google Play Services. In the bottom side you can see one uninstall button. Click on that, but it's showing no root permission. You cannot delete it. Okay, so what you have to do is click on top left corner and select User App. There also you can see the Google Play Services. Click on that. If you want to check the version, you can check it. Actually it shows the same version. Just select one option from here. You can see it's also showing 12.5.29. Okay, so go back, then select Google Play Services. In the bottom you can see one option named uninstall and backup. Click on uninstall. Now you can see it's asking, do you want to replace this app with the factory version? Yes, click OK. You can see now it's uninstalling. So you have to go to user app section. Okay, don't forget. See, now we can see that Google Play Services has removed from user app section. So now let me go back and select System App again. But in the System App section, you can see that Google Play Services. Let me scroll down. Okay, Google Play Services on that one. Okay, it's there, but there is one difference. If you check the version, check the app details, you can see it is 9.2.56. so this is the factory version. So actually it uninstalled the updated version, and now it's restored the factory version. So this way we can uninstall Google Play Services. You can confirm it by going this app also, Play Services Info. In that app also it's showing only 9.2.56. This is a factory version. Actually I uninstalled the updated version. So this way we can uninstall Google Play Services from your smart TV. So please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment, I will reply.